Hi, this is Lori Kornblum. I'm your instructor for ZERD 204. You may be in a different class than the one that's number is shown, and it may be a different semester, but the assignments are pretty much the same. And if they change, I of course will make a new video. So when you get into class, you will always find that it starts with your announcements. I do send announcements to each student through email as they are posted. So since you're MATC faculty members, this should not be a problem for you to check your MATC email from time to time. The faculty information is posted here. That's me. I'm Lori. And I am not going into the office at this point because of the COVID-19 emergency. So contact me via email or course message, and I will be happy to set up a special office appointment for you. We can either do it by phone or through Collaborate Ultra or Google Meetings or something else. The main place I'm going to start you with is the syllabus and calendar. This class starts on February 28th. This will be corrected to February 28th. And it is a 3-week class. Each week is divided into units, and you have certain assignments within each unit. All work is due by Sunday night of the ending of the unit. If you keep up, this is a pretty painless class to do. If you do not keep up, it really doesn't take more than a day to do everything. So please try to keep up with your work. You have weekly assignments that are done by modules. And you can see there's week 1, week 2, and week 3. Each week is subdivided into units. So the folder, which is First Things First, is your class introduction and introduction to career essentials. You will click on that unit, getting started, and your discussion board. I have discussion boards linked within each week so that you can find your discussion board. There is a Q&A forum if you want to. I've never had anybody actually use that. We have a week 1 discussion board called Introducing Yourself, week 2 discussion board about finding career essentials, and week 3 about assessments. And these are interesting discussions for everybody concerned. For each discussion board, by the way, you need to submit both a parent post, which would be your introductory post by Thursday night, and respond to 2 classmates by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Basically, if you do it thoughtfully, you get credit, and if you don't do it, you don't get credit. For weekly assignments, that was Unit 1. Unit 2 is learning about MATC's Career Essentials. Now, I have a lot of reading and learning materials. I have information about how Career Essentials are used, so you can just see how they are used. There is a video overview of Career Essentials in MATC. MATC has several video tutorials on Career Essentials. However, some people find that it's too much information at once, and I have broken it down. There's Career Essentials information. There's the attached rubrics, which you'll use about. And then there is a fall summary of Career Essentials, so if you can see again progress from semester to semester. The first unit is developed into just knowledge of the Career Essentials. This is your only quiz, and it is always, all quizzes are open book, open note, and you would need to take this up to 3 times. I really want you to get 100% on this. And the second thing, there is a very short quiz on do you have access to Blackboard and WIDS, and I do grade those by hands. It's for my information only. So that would be Unit 2, and then don't forget about Unit 3 because there's some assignments in Unit 3. So your assessments in Unit 3 are there. So again, we go through the whole thing. The week 2 has 2 units, week 3 has 1 unit, and then you'll be done with the class. Now, I do want to draw your attention. I did develop a checklist for Career Essentials for MATC faculty. This is a Google link for MATC's Career Essential. This is only for you to download. You can go to File. You can download it as Microsoft Word or PDF, or open document, however you like to read things, but you cannot you can't edit my documents because otherwise it would create tremendous confusion. And in fact, you'll see a lot of my assignments are Google Docs, and they are not designed for you to edit. They are designed for you to download and make comments on. So I have a lot of tutorials for every step in how to do Career Essentials. There is a linked tutorial. Some of these are Google, most of them are YouTube videos. And if you have any questions about anything that you need to do, you can also click on the references that are in this one-page worksheet. So that's the tip of the day. Is that there's the checklist that's right at the beginning of the class. So that's about it. I also put it in your quick reference guides. And I have, this is the same checklist, the Career Essentials checklist in document form. There's some troubleshooting guides, Career Essentials rubrics. Those are things that people have asked me about. Then communications, if you go to course messages, I'm sure you know how to use course messages, but just to review, you would say to, you would say Lori Kornblum, the instructor. I'm just going to send myself a test message, and then I would just say submit, and then look in my inbox, I have a test message from myself. Right now I'm going to delete that because otherwise it's confusing. But I like course messages because I'm teaching 6 classes this semester, and then I keep all my messages straight. You can also, this is a direct link to my email that you can do, which I'm not going to do now. I'm going back to my Career Essentials class. And then there's an email, which you can email anyone. So that's about it. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know, and I will be happy to meet with you individually on phone or by video conference. And welcome, and I will look forward to working with you.